full swing. Today, the mayor of New York, Michael Bloomberg, left the Republican Party. People think he may run for president as an independent, but, you know, he's saying he's not. I don't know what's happening there. But Democratic candidate John Edwards, he was campaigning in New Hampshire. I'm not exactly sure when this happened, but he was talking to voters about Social Security. And watch his hand.
Second thing I think we ought to think about doing is lifting the cap that exists. Excuse me, sorry. You stop paying taxes for Social Security when you hit that cap. I think we ought to be either lifting the cap. Well, thank you very much, City Council. I want to welcome you.
Something his message and indeed.